What's up, everybody? It's your boy Bryce with 510 Visuals. We back, baby, cooking up that sauce. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through my Scarlet Witch photo shoot with one of the best cosplayers, actresses, multi-published models that I've worked with, Miss Kara Vassar. We're gonna go over camera settings, the lighting setup, and the final images. So stay tuned to the end where I will show you the little music video reel that we made and we couldn't post to Instagram because Instagram has all of the Rihanna songs blocked for some reason. But anyway, let's get it. Yay! First things first, let's talk about the gear. I'm shooting with my Sony a7 IV with the Tamron 35-150. That's the f2 to 2.8 lens. My lights are 3 of my Paul Buff Alien B800s. The key light is in like a 40 or 60 inch umbrella. It's a bouncing umbrella, which means it shoots into the umbrella, back out through the diffusion. The kicker lights are 63 inch by 14 inch strip lights. Do not buy these strip lights unless you need them. They're way too big. They're hella annoying to deal with. All right, my settings for the shoot were my aperture somewhere around f8. My shutter speed's at 1/125th of a second, and my ISO is at 160. These are the settings that are basically how I shoot every time I go into my studio, unless I'm trying to change it on purpose for a specific shot. Other than that, I'm shooting with those settings. The reason why I shoot with these settings is they allow me to control not only my depth of field, giving them crispy clicks, but I can also control the ambient light. With my new studio space, I've got 9-foot tall windows that just completely hit the wall behind me. I think there's 3 behind me, maybe 4. So I shoot at f8 to make sure I can get rid of most of that, if not all of the ambient light, so that I can get the light shapes that I want out of my strobes. So I meter my lights to give me f8 output. And if you really want to see how I use a light meter to do that, drop a comment down below. I'll make a video on it. It's easy once you see it done, and it's very important to know how to do it so you can get done quickly. Anyway, enough rambling, back to the shoot. The lighting setup is a basic 3-light setup that makes a triangle with the model in the middle. The key light's an Alien B800. It's set at about 1/4 or half power, whatever will give me f8 when I meter it. I have it about 1 foot above the model and off to her side, which is camera right for us. As I was shooting, I realized I wanted less shadow on camera left, so I went and grabbed a V-flat and just bounced some light back just to lighten those shadows up. You don't have to have a V-flat, anything white and reflective. Just make sure it's not glossy. That'll bounce back for you too. The kicker lights are actually Alien B400s. I think I called them 800s earlier in the video, but they're 400s. I have those metered at f5.6. That's a full stop under my key light. I just want these lights to outline Kara, not to overpower my key. Because she's in latex, these lights are gonna show up very easily. From there, I just made sure Kara had full freedom of movement, but she always knew to keep her face towards the key light. Here are some straight out of cameras, and then the edits. Thanks for checking out the video. If you have any questions, make sure you hit the comments down below. I'll make sure I'll get back to you. Stay tuned for the reel. It was a lot of fun to shoot. And we are very upset that we couldn't put it out on Instagram because all the Rihanna songs are apparently blocked unless it's a cover or a remix. Remember, it's all gas, no brakes. Whatever you do, do it moving. Yee! We out of here, baby. Peace.
Baby, when we first met, I never felt something so strong. You were like my lover and my best friend, all wrapped in one with a ribbon on it. And all of a sudden, when there, I didn't know how to follow. It's like the shot was running around and now my heart dead. I feel so